In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gmail rules to move emails. By the end, you'll know how to automatically route messages so your inbox stays organized without extra effort. First, head to gmail.com and sign into your account in a web browser. This process works best on desktop, where all the filter options are visible. Give the page a moment to load your inbox so you can access the settings we need. Next, click the settings gear icon in the top right corner of Gmail. A quick panel will open. From there, choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. This gives you access to advanced tools, including the filters we'll use to move messages automatically. Now switch to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab along the top. This tab lists any rules you've already created and is the control center for setting up new ones. If you've never made a filter before, don't worry. Gmail makes it straightforward. Click Create a new filter. A small search window appears. This is where you define exactly which emails you want Gmail to catch. You can be as broad or as precise as you like. In the filter form, enter an email in the From field. This can be a specific sender address if you want to move messages from one person or service. If you prefer, you can also target by subject keywords or other fields, but keeping it to a sender's email is a reliable starting point when you're organizing by source. Click Create Filter at the bottom of that window. This takes you to the Action screen where you'll tell Gmail what to do with the matching emails. On the Action screen, choose what happens by checking each box. To move emails out of the inbox automatically, select Skip the inbox to archive them, and then check Apply the label to file them under a label that acts like a folder. Use an existing label that clearly describes the messages you're organizing, such as receipts, newsletters, or project updates. You can also mark them as Read if they don't require attention, or star them if they're important but should live in a label. If there are already messages that match your rule, consider selecting the option to apply it to matching conversations so your past emails get organized the same way. Finally, click Create Filter to save your rule. Gmail will start applying it immediately to new incoming messages that match your criteria, moving them where they belong without any extra clicks from you. That's it. You've set up a Gmail rule to move emails automatically. If your needs change later, return to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab to edit or delete the rule.